It's a 2017 Lexus NX. This is the crossover for any urban adventure thanks to a turbocharged engine, aggressive exterior design, and an interior built around you. It comes with the features you need and, better yet, want. Automatic transmission, electronic shift on the fly, integrated navigation system with voice activation, power heated mirrors, dual zone climate control, auto dimming rear view mirror, streaming audio, doors and push button start proximity key, heated steering wheel, and intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine. Edmunds.com highlights its class best fuel economy, generous backseat room for the segment, impeccable cabin construction, and copious high-tech features. Luxury awaits in every Lexus. Take it for a test drive today.
Experience luxury at its highest level. Conveniently located at 16100 Wayzata Boulevard in Wayzata, Minnesota.